In my house, and I say this without any resentment whatsoever, everything was vanilla. The conversations were vanilla. And I want to be specific here because I think it matters. The food was also literally vanilla. Same meals, same days, every single week. Monday was Monday's meal. Don't question it. Don't expect a surprise. Variety was not a value we held in our house. But here's what I only understood much later. That predictability, that sameness, it wasn't just about food or routine. It was the entire emotional operating system of our house. Keep it safe, keep it surface. Don't go anywhere that might require you to actually feel something or say something true. And I found out years after the fact, not from him, not from anyone who sat me down and said, hey man, here's something you need to know.